In today's video, I am going to teach you how to design Spotify app in Figma UI tutorial. Begin by opening Figma and heading to the Community tab. In the search bar, type Spotify UI Kit. You'll see templates that include pre-made components like icons, search bars, category cards, playlist lists, and player controls. Pick a kit that looks complete and well organized, then open its page and click Open in Figma. This creates your own editable copy so you can modify every element without affecting the original. With the file open, start customizing the UI. Most kits ship with predefined color palettes, including the familiar green and black, along with matching typography styles. In the right-hand design panel under Styles, adjust colors and text styles to fit the tone you are after. Editing styles is efficient because any change cascades across all components using that style, keeping everything consistent with minimal effort. Many templates are built with auto layout. This is essential for responsive, flexible screens. When you change labels or switch device sizes, auto layout preserves spacing, padding, and alignment automatically. If a button label gets longer, for example, the component grows gracefully without breaking the layout. Tweak those settings in the design panel to fine-tune spacing and resizing so your screens feel balanced and readable. Next, update album art and artist images. Replace placeholders by dropping high-resolution images into the designated frames and set them to fill so they crop cleanly. When these images live inside components, swapping them in the main component updates every instance at once, which speeds up your workflow. Use the included components to assemble key screens. Search bars for discovery, category cards for browsing, and playlist lists for browsing and selection. Keep spacing consistent and align elements to the kit's grid or layout guides for a polished, production-ready look. Design the full screen player with large, high-quality album art, a clear progress slider, and accessible playback controls. Prioritize contrast and comfortable tap targets so everything is easy to see and interact with. Keep labels concise and arrange elements in a logical visual hierarchy. To bring it to life, switch to prototyping. Link screens with on-tap triggers and choose transitions like dissolve for simple changes or smart animate for smooth motion between similar layers. Create interactive components for buttons and sliders. Many kits even include micro-interactions like subtle waveform pulses or fading transitions that you can enable or tweak. Preview your prototype to confirm the flow feels natural and the animation support, rather than distract from the experience. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.